Getting in some breaking news now that the Deputy Election Commissioner Sudeep Jain, who's in charge of West Bengal, will be visiting the state on Friday to oversee the preparedness for the upcoming assembly elections. He will also take stock of the law and order situation in the state. The district administrations have been asked to prepare PowerPoint presentations for the elections. That's a quick news update coming in on the elections in Bengal, where the Deputy Election Commissioner, who's in charge of the state of Bengal, will be visiting. Getting in the update that the visit will be on Friday to oversee the preparedness for the upcoming polls. In the last few days, we have been looking at central forces. Nearly 125 companies of the CAPF will be deployed in West Bengal. At least 20 of them, over 20 of them have already reached West Bengal. Madhurima is on the phone line with more details. Madhurima?
Looking into the law and order situation, very vulnerable law and order situation, the election commission office has been on its toes when it comes to West Bengal elections. And it's in the similar connection, the Deputy Election Commissioner, Mr. Sudeep Jain, who is in charge of West Bengal, will be visiting the state on Friday to oversee the preparedness for the upcoming assembly officials. During his visit, he is scheduled to hold meetings with the DM, the police superintendent and other senior officers to look forward and to sharp out a strategy so that no untoward incident takes place at the time of polls, because we know that the situation in West Bengal has always been very volatile, where the TMC and BJP are taking each other head on. And also in the similar regard, he will also take care of the law and order situation in the state, as that has been imperative and paramount for the Election Commission as far as these polls are concerned. Moving on, like you rightly pointed out, that the district administration have also been asked to be prepared, to be very precise and present a PowerPoint presentation so as to make, show the Election Commission as to what kind of preparations are being done and what all will be done in the future to make sure that elections are conducted in a conducive and healthy environment. That's it.
Okay, thank you for joining us with those details. In the last few days, central forces have reached Bengal. At least 20 companies of the CAPF have reached, over 20 companies, to ensure that the elections go on without any incidents of violence or poll rigging. And election officials will be in Bengal on Friday to issue further guidelines, likely to issue further guidelines for the central forces deployment. And the Deputy Election Commissioner, who is in charge of West Bengal, will be visiting the state on Friday. That's the quick news update coming in. Thank you for joining us with those updates, Madhuri.